And just about ready to get the ball into play. A look at the starters very clearly. Eliza Valdez not quite at the starting unit.
While Zeus Thunderbells on the other hand, same lineup din when they used against the Akari Chargers where they won in 5 sets.
That's good for the team. You see the improvement all the time, ano ha?
That's right. And actually, mas maganda yung nilalaro ng Zeus so far, not just for this conference, but also during the previous conferences.
Oh, yes, indeed. In the meantime, and that is proof that if you draft and trade well, hindi mo alam kung saan pupunta. Mali yung talon mo.
Na off time.
Na off timing katuloy. Tama yun. Samantala, good reception that time. And the dump over. Creamline trying to keep it in play. Tots blasts away. Arroyo working the back row. Ceballos denied. Kept in play by Mondoñedo. Eroa makes it a set. Santiago shoots away. De Guzman always showing great floor defense skills. Nice fly to the floor, Mondoñedo with the sibat. And it's still in play. Hanggang bukas to. Okay, hindi naman. And Pons takes care of tying up this first set.
We're seeing a lot of long rallies because both of these squads have very steady floor defense.
Game you want to play, you have to master all your fundamentals. Kasi you'll never know when you need your toss, your dig, and even your bump set. In the meantime, the push is into the open area.
To play lighter and increase the enjoyment. She only hopes that good energy continues for them against Creamline tonight. Back to the action, 7 Panay.
Maraming salamat, Jana Ejido. Yang team building, huwag nyo nga alisin sa budget yan. Napaka-importante niya sa lahat ng mga kupunan.
Finds the spot.
Yeah, nagkakaroon ng opportunity yung mga players to bond before.
Grabe, no? Si Cici at si Bernadette dahil sa beach volleyball, lumakas lalo ang talon. Eh. Tingnan mo.
Yes, I agree.
Over the block.
Pero sabi mo nga kanina, ina-activate niya kaagad si Gagate. Para ganahan. Kasi ang laki-laki ng front line mo, hindi mo gagamitin. Ano? Mondoñedo pushes it to the back row. Pons swings it high. Here comes Galanza. Got it on the floor.
Galanza over the block.
They're down by 2 points. Service ace for De Guzman. That was a good target. Long ball for Zeus Coffee.
Panaga now in the service area. Eroa accepting. Oh! The corner is so wide open for Ceballos. Veterana rin ito si Ceballos. Eh. Revilla. That is long and out. And we are done with set number 1. It will end at 25 to 22.
The setter of Thunderbells, Mondoñedo.
Mondoñedo gets us going. Bang!
Nogales on the over.
So again, the first ball of Creamline.
Mondoñedo.
Consistent and loaded serves meron dito ang Zeus Thunderbells.
Agang regalo. Ina agad. Ganda ng slide by Santiago. The shot of Arroyo is very much in play. Reached for that time by Eroa, who's panicking because he wasn't able to hoist it.
Same target.
Yep, Arroyo receiving. Santiago denied by Bernadette Pons. Meneses has done this. He needs energy for his team. Get the crowd interested. Putting in Eliza Valdez now. Get some points out of the experience of Eliza Valdez. In the meantime, Ceballos shoves it over. Bea De Leon jumps it in.
De Leon.
We're the sports writers right here at this venue. In the meantime, here's the shot. Santiago darts away. Mondoñedo. Oh, ganda ng play. Umikot. Valdez high up, and Ceballos catches it. Arroyo. May diin pumalo yung Arroyo. Ha? Valdez high up and out. Reached 4 nonetheless. Santiago!
Through the block.
Ang bilis pumwesto ng mga
11-0.
spikers ng Zeus. Lahat sabay-sabay sumigaw.
For the Thunderbells.
Gagalawin! And Eroa used her senses and look at Pons. Reel that in.
Over the block.
Good first ball.
Oh!
Gagate. Shoot set.
having seen some brief action in that first set.
Thea Gagata, serve.
Uh-oh, this is a free ball. Chance. Doon sa kabila. Ah, well done.
Arroyo, turn back.
Yeah.
Total of 3 aces for the Cool Smashers. Nadidepensahan na yung palo ng Zeus. Valdez.
Down the line target on top of the blockers.
Nadidepensahan eh.
Service, De Guzman.
De Guzman has been there forever. Good stretch by Pons. Valdez.
Oh! What a cross-court finish there by Alyssa Valdez. It deserves a second look. Take a look at that.
And Lai coming off the bench here in the second set.
Nahirapan makakuha ng magandang receive doon yung Zeus.
Parang pag si Gia nagsiserve, they're in a good place. Good server din naman si Gia. In the meantime, Valdez back at work. Heroa has also played well. Santiago denied.
Oh, turn back.
Good cross-court block by Panaga. Now Valdez will start for Creamline for this third set. She is now the...
Buried by a 4-0 run. De Guzman
Oh!
sets up Panaga.
Look at that.
Kapag maganda yung pagkakagawa, ano? Hindi talagang iiwanan yung blocker eh.
That's right.
Oh, good counter. That's the back row defense just strong. Stokke. Pons yelling for it. Valdez too tight. And they keep it in play. They recycle, recalibrate, reset. Another one of those long exchanges. Gonzaga. Panaga watches them stumble, but the ball is in play. Block! Block, block, block!
Stop it, turn back.
Ang bilis tumikit ni Panaga sa mga blockers. Always guarding that cross-court.
Just trying to recover the magic they had in that first set, which they took a 25-22.
Oh! Pang
And
Panaga.
here's Panaga.
Solo block there again.
17-9, third set action. Stokke. Oh, cleanly hit. To the back row!
A well-placed shot.
Finding that open space in zone 1.
Mondoñedo. Ceballos, no entry. One more time around the block. Key is still nowhere in sight. Still locked. Gonzaga, then Lazaro Revilla doing what she has done for so many years now. In the meantime, Gonzaga
Oh, nice save.
to the back row!
Grabe yung composure ng Creamline after that long rally. Ang bilis ng balikan ng bola. Save by Panaga.
Lalo na sa level na to.
3-0 run na yung Zeus.
Kung minsan sa college, mas maraming instructions kasi still learning the game yan. Oh, boy.
Right in the hole.
Medyo matagal na lull to for both squads.
Yeah. Ito na. And that's
Successful challenge.
Bernadette Pons with 17, Carlos with 9, De Guzman with 8, Panaga with 7, Valdez with 6. Nearly a joust. It doesn't happen.
Nogales at the net.
2 straight
17,
points now.
24.
There's been a history,
2-6-1.
although the lineups are different. There is a history of Creamline being beaten by Zeus. In the meantime,
Oh, good serve.
pasok yan.
Scores an ace.
Service ace.
That reason being exactly how Alyssa and the Cool Smashers prepared for this match, steamrolling through set 3. Now on the verge of a win. Let's see if they could keep it up here in set 4. 7 Panaga.
Kaya kung minsan yung pagpalo na regalo, antayin mo lumampas ng konti sa, ito, Panay, alagay mo. No. Kinuha. Tatlo ang lamang ng Zeus dito sa fourth. Reached for by the Guzman. Corner! Chini Arroyo has 18
Flo
points.
Montañedo, team captain, serving.
Flo serves. Overpass. Regalo. It's not open. It is denied. Reset. Recalibrated. Reloaded. Into the hole.
Carlos.
Same
down the
target.
line.
11-13. Ang ganda ng
Nogales. quick
Nogales,
attack.
Arroyo,
14
Mondoñedo,
to
Law
11.
Office. Sabay-sabay. Tinulak. Tinaas ni Carlos. Sa kabilang bahagi tayo.
Good check.
Chisayat looks around.
Oh!
Carlos, turn back.
Sibalius likes to serve from way deep in the corner.
Oh! Still alive. Chance for Creamline. Nice dig by Gonzaga.
Defense is going to matter here. Balanza catching some late fire here.
Ang bilis ng galaw talaga ng attackers ng Creamline.
Yes, they are.
Nagsuscramble pa sa defense ang Zeus. Gia keeps on yung bola.
Balanza with 9.
Good dig.
Revilla. Eroa, Arroyo. Reached for, kept in play.
Nice set.
Punched up, punched up. This is not yet over.